Hey y'all, I'm Artworm Joy. I need to feed my worm today with a new leaf of experience. So we will try to draw Johnny Depp for the first time. So the first part, I only draw very lightly because I am measuring the distance of Johnny's left eye to the other eye, the length of the nose, how far his hairline is from the brow, if his lips are wider than the nose. The shape of the jaw is really important, so I observe and study it a lot before I make the lines. In short, the first part is all measurements on how far apart everything is. After figuring that out, I go to the next stage, which is detailing. I don't really draw celebrities and movie people, and this is the first time. Also, all of my artwork are either inked or colored, and this is also the first time it's just going to be pencil. I hope to gain a lot of experience today, and if this turns out okay, I will draw more people like probably esports players and maybe local celebrities. Yeah. About the pencils, all I have in the studio is an HB and a 4B. So that's what I used here. I was looking for my 8B, but I couldn't find it. My pencils are cheap. They're like 5 pieces a dollar because I only buy when there's a sale and if I could find a really good deal. Otherwise, I don't buy. The eraser I'm using is called a kneaded eraser. You can mold it to whatever shape you want. It's good for cleaning up really tight areas, like small, very small areas. This character is Edward Scissorhands, my favorite Johnny Depp character. I saw this movie in the early 90s and my mind was blown away. I was like, what is he? He's not human. His hands are scissors. It's like it's crazy. The movie was very different from any other movie I've seen, and it has a very unique concept.